Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is a special day. I do believe it's kickoff of Mardi Gras season right now. I went quite a while ago with a few of my friends, and man, oh man, that was probably one of my best vacations I ever took. Besides Hawaii and Mexico were cool. But New Orleans, Mardi Gras back then before the hurricanes, so much fun. Definitely you should try it out. So we got something special coming from O&H Danish Bakery. Authentic Danish Kringle. Alright. Take a look inside, see what it is. I can smell it. It smells really good. Ooh, baby. There's these dudes. So shout out to O&H. Here's that. Oh yeah, Kringle cake. Oh, it's king cake. Alright. We got some beads. Oh man. At least I don't have to earn it like they do in New Orleans. We got the baby inside there. We're gonna do a little. Oh, how do I take this out? Wow. Thank you guys. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. I'll have the links down below. I'm not gonna eat it because I haven't eaten my lunch yet. But they ship this really fast, so definitely might want to get some before they are sold out. Oh, jeez. Oops, sorry about that. Timber. It happens sometimes. Whoa. Whoa, baby. Look at this. Oh, man, this smells really good. You guys gotta try this. So we got the beads. Party time. So happy Mardi Gras to everybody. Definitely be safe. Take Uber. Don't get thrown in jail. If not, celebrate at home. Eat some O&H Danish Kringle. Look at that. Ooh, baby. Made fresh. Ships really fast. Looking good. Well decorated. Alright, YouTubers, that's about it. It smells good. I ain't gonna lie. I wish you could have smell vision. Because look at that bad boy. Got the cream. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Get this fast shipped to you. Be safe. Have a good weekend. See you soon.